Yo, what's poppin' everybody? It's your boy back here, Teacher Lucas, bring one more tip for you today. I hope everything is doing fine with you today. And before I start, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social medias, especially on Instagram, because I teach English there every day. So there you can learn new phrasal verbs, new vocabulary daily, okay? So don't forget to follow me there. And today I want to talk to you guys about the verb could. Could is the past of can, and it is a special verb in English. If you don't know what can is, don't be worried about it. I already recorded a video teaching you guys the difference between may and can, so you can watch this video after you finish this one, or if you want to stop here and just watch there first for you to be aware what it is. But talking about could is the past of the verb can. It is a possibility or an ability. We can use in the affirmative, in negative, and ask question with could. But just have in mind that when I'm using could, I don't need to use does, did, or do in the same sentence, okay? In affirmative statements, it stays like that. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they could run a mile in 4 minutes. Okay, I could run a mile, you could run a mile in 4 minutes, he could run a mile. So we don't conjugate the verb with an S. It's not could, it's only could, okay? Just remember that the verb that comes after could does not take to. So could run, could do, could eat, could dream, could go. Alright? Now take a look at this sentence. Joe could dance well when he was a young man. Let's use this sentence to learn how to make negative statements. I just add not, so Joe could not dance well. Okay? Joe could not. When we are speaking English, generally we intend to speak faster and faster and faster. So we start contracting words. And the contraction of could not is couldn't. Couldn't. Okay? Couldn't. Joe couldn't dance well. And to ask question, it is easy as well. We just take the modal verb could, put before the subject, and make the sentence. Joe could dance well. Could Joe dance well?
Cambly.
Os tutores do Cambly estão disponíveis 24 horas por dia.
Através do computador ou do aplicativo de celular também.
Experimente!
Actually, we should practice it using daily specific activities. Grammar and exercises are not the focus of our course. Our focus should be directed to what I call training process. We are gonna practice it. But don't worry about it, we have it all prepared for you here in video classes.
Esta é Maria. Ela adora estudar inglês, mas não tem muitas oportunidades para usá-lo. Com o iTalk, Peter e Maria podem ter aulas particulares online para se tornarem fluentes em um idioma estrangeiro. Você também pode começar a aprender um idioma no iTalk hoje mesmo. Com o iTalk, você tem um professor particular para qualquer idioma e pode conversar de verdade com um nativo do idioma desejado. Todos os dias, milhares de pessoas se conectam com professores internacionais através do iTalk. Encontre hoje mesmo um professor e adquira fluência num idioma estrangeiro.
So guys, that was it. That was my explanation of could. Hope you guys understand that. If you still have any question, please don't hesitate to leave it down in the comment section below, because I'll make sure to answer you and give you some more explanation about it. And also your question could be others' question, so leave your comments below. And if you're still not following me on my social medias, please follow me there on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, here in the YouTube. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here. I'll see ya in the next video. Peace out.